Philippines! Come on, make some noise!
I'm Elizabeth Tanyahora. I'm from Cebu City, Philippines.
I am Ernita Lucero Gatmaitan. I am from Ormoc City, Leyte. I've been with Prive since August of 2023.
Since 2021, 5 years this coming October 1. Before Prive, I'm a pharmacist by profession. Actually, I used to have 7 drugstores before. Because of this amazing iTeracare device, I am married to Prive International. I closed my main branch.
I can remember when I met Ma'am Beth, they demoed the product, and after we tried the product, we said that we're going to buy the device. I went to Manila after that, and then I introduced it to one of my friends, and then she bought one right away. So I told my sister, maybe we can do the business because we can also help other people because the effect of the device is really good.
With the team going there, the fun, the travel, the food. I love the food in Penang. And of course, the Philippine delegates.
Doon, enjoy naman kami doon sa Penang, and then luckily, I won the raffle.
I was actually thrilled when I found out because out of thousands of delegates that came, 2 Filipinos bagged the cars.
It's really God. Talagang God-given, God's grace, destiny talaga na sila talaga manalo. It's really amazing.
When they say, I will get the key, sabi ko, wala, it's yun, di ba, parang papil-papil lang. So, sabi na, mayroon man pag ano ko sa ilan, wow, it's there.
I was so, so happy, mixed emotions. Para kung totoo ba to? No, at last, meron na rin ako magagamit na sasakyan for Prive alone. And it would help me with my business for marketing, advertisement also, para mas makilala ang Prive.
Makapagtrabaho talaga sila ng tuloy-tuloy without thinking about the gasolines.
I'm so excited with the gasoline rise up. I tour around ko gyud sa Pilipinas to expand my business because Prive is really my business right now. I want to help more people know about the iTeracare, know about Prive product, and know more about business. That's really my passion, to teach people how to catch fish. I will not exchange my 32 years in business sa pharmaceutical if Prive International is not good. And now I give it all. I focus in Prive 100% because for me, Prive is the best.
There is always reward when somebody works hard. Them being in a car given by Prive should be an extra motivation that is not quantifiable to money. So I expect them to succeed, I expect them to earn, and I expect them to be proud of the company that they represent.
Yung product pa lang mismo, pag nagamit nila talaga, bibili talaga sila and magjo-join for their own personal use.
This is a company with powerful products. This is a company that has a compensation plan compared to no other company. And this is a company that loves their members.
They have to choose Prive because product is good, the management is good, and the company is good.
This is a company that is here to stay. In behalf of Prive International, congratulations. Keep dreaming big.
Independent business owner of Prive, let's continue doing this business, embrace this mission, because this mission, we can change life.
In behalf of Prive International, congratulations. Keep dreaming big.
Tuloy-tuloy kasi nandito na tayo dahil may car na din tayo na makakatulong sa paglakad-lakad natin.
Thank you, Prive. Daghan kaing salamat.
We are Prive, we change the life.
Thank you, Prive. Daghang salamat, Prive.
We change the life. We are Prive, we change your life.